Okay, good morning students. Last class we have discussed about diamond and graphite. Diamond, graphite, these two components is one of the best examples of crystalline allotropy of carbon. So diamond contain sp3 hybridization, already we know that. What is the structure of diamond? 3D, three-dimensional structure. And graphite is a sp2 hybridization. What is the structure of graphite? 2D, two-dimensional structure. Okay. So today class fullerene. We know that fullerene is also one of the best example of crystalline allotropy of carbon. Okay, it is also one of the best example of crystalline allotropy of carbon. What is the formula? C60. Okay, what is the formula of fullerene? C60 is the formula, and completely named Buckminster fullerene. Okay, simply a shortcut we are called fullerene. Completely named Buckminster fullerene. How it is prepared? Suppose for example we have taken graphite. When we have taken graphite, electric arc or electricity is passed through the graphite to form fullerene. Okay, or C60. Okay, in the presence of inert gases. Like argon, okay, neon, helium. Okay, listen how it is prepared. When we have taken graphite, electricity or electric arc is passed through the graphite in the presence of inert gases like helium, neon or argon to form fullerene. So fullerene is C60. Okay. So overall, this graphite contain, it is just like ball structure, football or a soccer ball. So soccer is one type of playing. Okay, soccer ball. Which structure? Soccer ball structure, or it is also called buckyball structure. Okay, so fullerene contain which structure? Soccer ball, just like football. Okay, soccer ball structure or buckyball structure. Overall, which shape? Ball shape. Okay, so fullerene contain ball shape, football shape, just like that shape is called soccer ball. Okay, soccer ball is one type of play. Okay, next. Okay. So it has a soccer ball or buckyball structure. Overall, fullerene contain total 32 rings. Okay. So fullerene contain how many rings? Total 32 rings. In these 32 rings, 20 rings is a 6-member rings. Okay, 6-member rings. Just like suppose for example, it is a 6-member ring, just like a Benjamin structure. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6-member rings. So how many 6-member rings? 26 member rings. Next, 12 5-member rings. Okay, 12 5-member rings. Just like suppose it is a 5-member ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like it is a pentagonal shape, it is a hexagonal shape. Okay, so it is a 5-member ring, it is 6-member ring. Total rings, how many rings? 32 rings. 20 rings, 6-member rings, and 12 rings, 5-member rings. Okay, so in this shape, suppose for example it is a it is 5-member ring, and next for that it is a 6-member ring. Next it is 5-member ring, or suppose it is a 5-member ring. So overall in this buckyball shape or soccer ball shape, total contain 32 rings. Okay, 32 rings. And in this puller ring, is contain sp2 hybridization. Okay, puller ring contain which hybridization? sp2 hybridization. So overall in this puller ring also 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Okay, 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. So what is the hybridization of puller ring? sp2 hybridization. In this puller ring 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. So overall it contains total 60 vertices. Okay, how many vertices? Total 60 vertices. What is the vertex? Suppose for example, it is one vertex. Okay, the attach of 2 lines. It is 1 vertex, 2 vertex, 3 vertex, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many total? How many vertices? 60 vertices. Okay, in puller ring. So how many vertices? 60 vertices. At the same time, it is a aromatic nature. So all the benzene components, closed components, all the benzene components are closed components is a aromatic nature of component. So in this shape, some places contain single bond, some places contain double bond. Okay, in this puller ring, some places contain single bond, some places contain double bond. Okay, double bond. So overall in this single bond, the bond length, okay, the bond distance between carbon and carbon, okay, how much? 143.5 picometers. 143.5 picometers. At the same time, double bond 138.3 picometers. Okay, so overall some places contain single bond, some places contain double bond. What is the bond length of single bond? 143.5 picometers. Next double bond 138.3 picometers. It is a bond length. Okay, this is contain 2 bond lengths. Okay, some places single bond, some places double bond. So these 2 bonds contain different bond distances or bond length. Okay, so overall it is a already we know that buckyball or a soccer ball shape. Okay, so it is a structure of puller ring. Listen, what is puller ring? Puller ring is one of the best example of crystalline allotropy of carbon. It is formula C60. Completely we have called Buckminster puller ring. So how it is prepared? Suppose for example we have taken graphite. When electric arc passes through the graphite in the presence of inert gases like a helium, neon, argon, so to form puller ring. Okay, so overall this puller ring is contain ball shape. Which ball? Just like football, like it. Okay, so that shape is soccer ball or buckyball shape. Soccer ball or buckyball shape. Overall puller ring contain total 32 rings. In these 32 rings, 20 6-member rings and next 12 5-member rings. In this puller ring contain 60 vertices. Okay, how many vertices? 60 vertices. and it has aromatic nature. Overall, it's like all benzene components. Okay, benzene component, closed structures. Closed structures are like a benzene structures is aromatic nature, and it's contain some places single bond and some places double bond. So these two places contain different bond length or different bond distance. Single bond distance, that is 143.5 picometers, and double bond distance 138.3 picometers. So what is the hybridization? It has sp2 hybridization, because just like it's contain one pi bond or weak bond. That bond is do not consider. Okay, overall it has 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Due to this reason, it's contain only sp2 hybridization. Okay, it is the structure of fullerene. So it is very important. Write the hybridization of graphite, diamond, and Buckminster fullerene. So what is the hybridization of diamond? sp3. What is the hybridization of graphite? sp2. What is the hybridization of fullerene? sp2. Okay, so fullerene and graphite equal hybridization, but a diamond sp3 hybridization. Okay, it is a fullerene. Next further we are discuss about carbon oxides. Okay, carbon oxides. So what is the carbon oxide? Then next we are discuss about carbon oxides. Overall carbon form mainly two oxides. One is CO and next one CO2. Okay, CO means carbon monoxide and CO2 means carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon forms how many types of oxides? Mainly two types of oxides. Number one, monoxides, and second one, dioxides. Listen, CO means carbon monoxide. How it is prepared? How it is prepared? Suppose for example, it is the first preparation of carbon monoxide. Suppose for example, we have taken hot coke. Okay, hot coke. When steam or vapor, okay, steam or water vapor is passed through the hot coke to form carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Okay, to form carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, in this reaction we have used 473 Kelvin to 1273 Kelvin temperature. Okay, how much temperature? 473 to 1273 Kelvin temperature. So it is the preparation of carbon monoxide. What is the preparation of carbon monoxide? When steam is passed through the hot coke at 473 Kelvin to 1273 Kelvin temperature to form carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, so overall the combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas, is called water gas. Okay, what is the meaning of water gas? The combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas. This water gas is also called synthetic gas or syngas. Okay, it's very important. What is the meaning of syngas or what is the meaning of synthetic gas? or what is the meaning of water gas? Okay, so overall, what is water gas? The combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas. This water gas is also called synthetic gas or syngas. Okay, synthetic gas or syngas. So it is overall preparation of carbon monoxide. Okay, so next preparation. Suppose for example you have taken HCOOH. HCOOH. COOH means acid. Okay, COOH means acid. So what is the formula of HCOOH? Formic acid. Okay, formic acid. This formic acid is produced from ants. Okay, ants. Okay, when we have taken formic acid, when heated up formic acid at a 373 Kelvin temperature, in the presence of concentrate H2SO4. Okay, in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 to form CO and H2O. Okay, H2 one O, H2O, remaining CO. So this is the preparation of carbon monoxide. So what is the preparation of carbon monoxide? We have taken formic acid. When heated up formic acid at 373 Kelvin temperature, in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 to form CO, carbon monoxide, and next further water molecules. Okay, next class we have discussed about remaining preparations. Okay.